Recently, an AI Kung Fu videos are trending, and in this video, I'm going to show you easy ways on how to create it. If you want to create it yourself, watch the video to the end. Let's begin. Step 1. Click on Hello Video. After clicking it, it will display to the main page. The name of the website is Hailuo.ai. The link will be on my description. Then click on the plus icon. Then press I got it. Click on the plus icon. It will display to the main page. Then insert the image that you want. Make sure it is smooth. As you can see, it is uploading. You'll be given 1 gem and each creating is 30 gem. So insert this exactly prompt that I wrote here. So right now let's press create with this 30 gem. Then let's click one job in queue to see our creation. I mistakenly create 2 job creation. As you can see, everything is loading. Now everything is completed. Let's watch it. Actually the sound I got it from TikTok. You can just upload it to TikTok and go to sound, then press download. Chicken. You can go to this website to replace the other image to any person. The website is www.recraft.ai. The link will be on my description. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share and comment. Thank you for watching.